This presentation speaks to the instrumentation that are required to air balance both constant volume and variable air volume systems in a building. New instrumentation becomes available over time, but this is what required now. You need a C-clamp ammeter, which allows for measurement of supply, return, and exhaust fan motor current draw, and a voltmeter. Allows for measurement of supply, return, exhaust fan motor supply voltage. You need a tachometer, which allows for measurement of fan and motor speed and is given in revolutions per minute, RPMs. The tachometer can be a contact type or a non-contact type. Using this instrument, you can measure motor and fan speed. I prefer the non-contact type. It's based on laser instrumentation and it's very simple to use and less dangerous because you don't have to get near the moving parts. You need a velocity meter. This is a hot wire anemometer instrument which measures airspeed inside ducts. It is temperature compensated and reads directly in feet per minute, FPM. Using this instrument, you can calculate the air volume moving through the duct. If you take the feet per minute and multiply it by the cross-sectional area of the duct, it gives you the cubic feet per minute. Very simple calculation. Airflow is spoken of in CFM, feet per minute, or in the metric system, liters per second. You need a static pressure meter. This instrument allows for the measurement of static pressure in a duct. When a pitot tube is used with the meter, you can measure total pressure, velocity pressure, and static pressure. You also need a rotating vane anemometer. This instrument allows for the measurement of air velocity through supply, return, and exhaust air grills. This allows you to calculate the volume of air moving through the air grill. For measuring air coming out of ceiling air diffusers, you need a collector hood. This instrument allows for the measurement of air volume through ceiling and wall grills. This instrument reads directly in air volume and no calculations are necessary. You also need a hygrometer. This instrument can measure dry bulb temperature as well as relative humidity of air in the duct or space temperature. That's basically the basics of what you need to do an air balance. However, for some systems, there may be some instrumentation that is specific to that type of system. Thank you very much. Bye.